Yes, Uno. Okay, so we got the band, I believe. Are they ready? Which one's going first?
The VW told me he's got 40,000 watts in that. So I'm expecting something crazy.
Oh, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, it sounded crazy, feeling crazy.
Okay.
That bass was nice.
Okay, 30 seconds. Yes, here we go.
Could have turned it up louder though, but the bass itself was nice. You weren't pushing though. We weren't pushing that at all, but it was nice. Right, we're gonna go and see some of the flames. Oh, there he goes.
Because young ones will be easy if you move more to the side.